Hey everyone, welcome back to RK Goat Tech. Today I'm excited to share my thoughts on the latest flagship from OnePlus, the OnePlus 13. Let's dive in and see what this phone has to offer. Design and display 030 to 230. Host, first off, let's talk about the design. The OnePlus 13 looks stunning with a sleek glass back and a beautiful 6.7-inch AMOLED display. The screen is bright, vibrant, and perfect for watching videos or browsing the web. Show footage of the phone's design and display. Performance 230 to 40. Host, under the hood, the OnePlus 13 packs a powerful punch thanks to its Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and up to 16 gigabytes of RAM. Performance is smooth, and I didn't notice any lag or stuttering during my testing. Show footage of the phone's performance, including gaming and multitasking camera, 4 to 530. Host, the camera on the OnePlus 13 is another standout feature. The 50-megapixel primary sensor takes excellent photos with great detail and color accuracy. The ultra-wide-angle lens is also a nice addition, allowing for more creative shots. Show footage of the phone's camera capabilities, including photos and videos. Battery life, 530 to 630. Host, battery life on the OnePlus 13 is impressive, with the 5,000 milliamp hour cell easily lasting a full day with heavy use. Fast charging is also supported, with the ability to top up the battery quickly when needed. Show footage of the phone's battery life, including charging speed. Conclusion, 630 to 730. Host, so, is the OnePlus 13 worth the hype? In my opinion, yes. The phone offers a great combination of performance, camera quality, and battery life, making it a solid choice for anyone looking for a high-end Android device. Show footage of the phone and the host's final thoughts. Outro 73028. Host, thanks for watching everyone. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and content. Specifications. Display, 6.7-inch AMOLED, 144 Hz refresh rate. Processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. RAM, up to 16 gigabytes. Storage, up to 512 gigabytes. Rear camera, 50-megapixel primary sensor, 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. Front camera, 16 megapixel. Battery, 5,000 milliamp hours, fast charging supported. Operating system, Android 13.